Welcome back. Now, one of the things that we can do inside of our WordPress site is that we can add buttons that link to other sites or any place else that we designate. And we can do that by going to this add block area, and then we're going to type in the word button. You're going to see this in the layout elements. You'll click button, and then you're going to see a button right in your WordPress site. And of course, you can then control the look of the button as well as the text on the button. You can also control the alignment on the button. You'll see that button now lining up here in the middle. And what you're going to do here is you're going to write in the URL. What you're going to do here is you're going to write in the URL where you want the button to lead. Once you do that, you'll then click the return button or apply. And then you'll have a button here. Now, how the button will actually look on your site, you'll need to go and click the preview button. You'll then see that your button is added to your site. You can then click this button so that you'll have the same experience as your user. And then you can see in the left-hand corner that this is where your site is going to take the visitor when they click this button. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.